fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some items from the good folks over at FGNormal. So I've got a couple things that I want to show you, so I'm just going to jump right in. Before I do that, though, if you do me a couple favors, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to join me in my Facebook group, in the description box below, you can find a link for that. Would love to see you there. Or you can follow me over on Instagram at diamondpaintinganonymous. Okay, so here's what I have from FGNormal. I have a canvas, I have two canvases, a little special surprise, and then I ordered some washi tape. So, you guys, washi tape is such an easy thing to collect. Plus, I like to get it because then I can see if it's super cute and if it's something I want to use or something I want to just gift onto you guys. This is a random one. This was $1.14, and as you can see, it's got quite a bit of tape on it. That's one of the things I like because sometimes you'll get those rolls of washi tape where there's like hardly any tape on it at all. So, and it's just this really cute like little flourishes with some leaves and some little dots. So super cute. Can never have too much washi tape. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then I have this canvas. This one is a 30 by 40. So let's get into this one. Now I got this one because it actually reminds me of the one that I lost on our trip to Maine. It rolls up nice and tight, even though it's not, I wouldn't say it's really thin, but it does roll up nicely, so that's good. Ooh. Okay, so we get our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, and then we have our drills, but they come in baggies, so that's nice for those of you who like to work in baggies. And here is our canvas. It's this cute little girl. She got a scorpion here. I don't know if this is supposed to be like zodiac kind of thing, but her hair kind of matches. Although, I'm not sure this is the one that I ordered. I thought I ordered one that had a moon on it, but maybe I just got confused. Guys, you know me in ordering. I will go double check that one. If it is not the one that I ordered, I'll put a note on the screen or something. So it's nice and sticky. It is a 30 by 40, so let's measure this and see. It is 25 by, let me smooth it out here, 25 by 35. And I'm just looking at it to try and see if there's any symbols that I think would be an issue. The G's are not next to the O's. The B's don't appear to be next to the R's. Maybe a few out here, but not bad. So we have 22 colors. We have a schematic on both sides. We do have the DMC codes, so that's good. And yeah, let's see what our drills look like. Whoops. Okay, let me get into this. Lots of colors. So we have, those drills have some dimples, but not too many. So we have a light brown, a very dark turquoise, ooh, that kind of watermelon-y pink, a dark gray, and then we have a dark blue, kind of a brick red, a hunter green. We have a peach color, and then a very pale peach. And then we have a big bag of, not black, what is this, 939. And then we have a very dark forest green, a dark, like a burnt orange, a chocolate brown, like a navy blue. There's a brick red, kind of a light mocha color. And then we have a red, a dark gray, a slightly darker red, some black. So really most of this kit is $9.39 and not black. That's all the black that there is. Some very dark purple and some like dark burgundy. So yeah, some super cute colors in here. Let's see if I can get these all back in here. Get that big bag of $9.39 back in there. Okay. All right, and this one was $5.75. Okay, so let me move that off to the side and open this one. This one can get it out here. Okay. This one is a little bit stiffer to roll up. A little bit stiffer to roll up. Okay, so standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And then as you can see, this is a special drill kit. So let me show you this one. It is this very cute cardinal. Now it looks yellow, but the background I think is mostly clear. So we have a schematic on both sides. We've got 17 colors. It does not have any of the codes, however. Okay, and it is supposed to be a 30 by 40. It is 24, I'm going to guess by 34, but let me measure it here. Yeah, 24 by 34. And it's just this cute little cardinal sitting on a branch. So it is nice and sticky. I never know what to call these. Like I mean, does it count as a full drill? Because, I mean, I guess it does. I was going to say because not everything is covered up like it is in a square, but everything doesn't get covered up in a round one either. So I guess I'll call it a full and not a partial. But it is all these special crystals. So let's look at the special crystals and see. I wish they would have given me the codes because I'm always trying to figure out what the codes are for all these special drills. Let me find the end here. Ooh, there's some fun ones in this one. Oh man, now I really wish I had the codes. So there's some black, some very like dark brown, dark orange, some light green. Ooh, those are very pretty iridescent ones, not just clear. And then we have two different shades of red. So we have a slightly darker red and then a red, a dark green. Then we get into some of these special drills. So we've got a purple marquee cut. We've got a round iridescent blue. We've got a round pink, large round. We've got a large purple iridescent teardrop. And then look at these. I've never seen these before. So we've got these little flower shaped ones. One in purple with the gold on top, and then one in red with the gold on top. And then we've got 3 bags of the clear crystals. So if I put those next to the iridescent ones, you can see the difference. At least I hope you can. And then there are 2 bags of the slightly larger round clear. And then we have 2 bags of the largest round clear. So lots of cool ones in this one. I can't wait to see what some of these, the ones with the flower shapes on them, those are going to be super cool. I can't wait to see what those look like when they're done and on the canvas. Okay, and this one was $6.33. Okay, and then the last item that I have, let me move this off to the side. the last item that I have is a frame. So I was curious to see how these worked. I've seen these before, but I've never got one. So I wanted to get one and try. This one is supposed to be a 30 centimeter size. So it's magnetic. So it's got these little magnets in it, and then you just smack it together. And then this, of course, is the top ones with the hanger. So you would just put, let me take my canvas here. So you would just take, you can trim your canvas some so that it won't show. And then you just take this and put it in between like this. If I can get it on, let me try and get it on there a little bit straight. Pull this through. Of course, you would trim your canvas, and then you just put this one down on the bottom because that helps it hang. The weight of it helps it hang straight. So you would put it on the bottom like this, and then you can just hang it up. How cool is that? I can't wait to kind of try this one because then I could hang up some things, and it's very easy with this to kind of change out paintings if you wanted to change them out seasonally, or if you just, like displaying whatever your latest creation is so that you can have all those. So, and this was the 30 centimeter size. As I said, they do have different sizes. So this one was $6.89. I don't know if the other ones are more because they're larger, but I do a lot of the 30 by 30s. I have a lot of them done now, so if I wanted to display something, I could just use this to display it. So there you go. So let me recap. We have our cardinal here with the special drills. We have our magnetic frame. We have our Zodiac girl here. And we have our washi tape. As usual, I will put links down in the description box below so that you guys can check all of these out for yourself or anything else that might grab your eye while you're there. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.